Hello, welcome to my channel. We are here in the midst of this beautiful biodiversity, and we are surrounded with rocks, different kinds of grass, ferns, and wild bananas. And the most important things that amazed me here is this beautiful river, this crystal clear water. And we call this river the river of life because it gives life to the people down there, to their animals and to their rice paddies. So this is really important things that God has made here. So this place is located at Barangay Sampao Biliran, Philippines. We hope that you can come here and experience this very nice location here in our place. Now, we are here now today to soak our body in this ice cold water together with my wife. She's at my side now. Okay, Lucy, come here. Okay, come. Join us. You also, I'm inviting you to join with us here. Join us! We are here today. This is the most important part in our trip here in this river. So we have here rice, we have banana, we have passion fruit, we have eggs, we have here apple, and a slice of papaya, and we have here passion fruit juice. Okay? It's time to eat now. Let's eat. We have fried fish also. That's it. I hope you like our short video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.